Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For my subscribers, thank you very much. Wow, I can't believe now we have over 50 subscribers. That is a milestone for me. Thank you very much for your subscribing, liking, comments always. Thank you very much. And for those who are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Well, today we are going to make a flower vase, but we are going to use this foil paper. Yes, the normal foil paper that we're using for barbecue, in kitchen, for foiling something. Yes, that's the one. We're just coloring it, cutting it down. Come with me to the end. Well, after coloring the foil, you can decide to use the normal epox resin to cover the color. That is the way of covering that color, because it's just the normal colors, just to avoid them from bleeding. But for me, I like to use UV resin because they can cure fast with this one, and it won't bleed. It won't give a space for these colors to bleed. Yeah, and then when cutting them down, I don't cut them in any particular order or shape. That is my choice, but you can also choose to cut them in a specific shape if you want that. It's okay too, no problem. Yeah, that's how I do it. Whenever I use foil, I like to use the resin that doesn't cure fast. So most of the time I use 2:1 or 3:1 ratio, because it takes time to cure and it gives a room for bubbles to be released before it is fully cured. Thank you for watching till this far. Please, for those who are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I've listed all the materials I used in the description box. Please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask on the comment section. I read comments, guys. I read comments, so drop whatever questions that you have. I will answer you. Well, to answer a quick question that I was asked before about the curing time. The curing time depends first on the weather, second on the epox that you're using. The best part I like, let us demold and see the results. Wow, it looks good and shiny too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for those who are not subscribed yet. Like, comment and share. See you on the next video. Bye.